Today we are talking about how Zero Outage's active-active SD-WAN works in order to balance traffic across multiple internet service provider connections. Let's say you have two internet links, each is providing 100 megabits, and you want to fully utilize the bandwidth from each of these connections in order to improve performance for your end users. Zero Outages has several methods in order to make this happen. The first is via something called application balancing. This is basically where Zero Outages will direct application traffic, like web traffic, out ISP number 1, and email traffic out ISP number 2. Zero Outages can also direct traffic based on URL. So let's say you want all of your Dropbox traffic to go out ISP number 1, and you want Office 365 to go out through ISP 2. Both of these options are possible. The second method is based on users or devices. This is where you'd have a group of users or devices on a network, and you want to send traffic from half of this group out the ISP number 1 connection, and you want to send the other half out the ISP number 2 connection. This then evenly divides the traffic between the groups in order to improve overall performance. The third method is called network-based load balancing. And we have a lot of customers that utilize something called VLANs. And in those cases, those customers can route their VoIP VLAN out the ISP number 1 interface. And for operations VLAN, for example, out the ISP number 2 interface. In all cases, you can mix and match these different methods. So you can have application traffic balancing going on at the same time that you have network or device balancing going on. And you can set preferences. So if you prefer all web traffic from this particular group to go out one interface and email traffic from a different group to go out a different interface, you can mix and match like that. In all cases, if either of the links should fail, Zero Outages will automatically reroute the traffic over the next available circuit. And in the event that the circuit comes back on, then we will reroute and re-implement the balancing rules as they were before, once all of the links are back up and active. To learn more about Zero Outages, load balancing, active-active, and SD-WAN services, please visit our website at www.zerooutages.com.